In this session, we're going to quickly show you how you can build lots of content within your question library using the question editor within the BRAVOZONE. You always could actually build content in the question editor outside of any session. We're going to do just that today, but we're going to use Bravo Assist. There are two ways you can get to the question editor. One is under the quick links, and you'll see here you have the question editor. The other is go up to Content and click on Question Editor. You can always just build content here before, but now what I'm going to do is build content using a Bravo Assist. And you're going to get this familiar page, and you can use text, web page, or upload a document. I'm going to upload a document. In this case, I'm going to use a PDF that I have on my computer. And I'm going to say 15 questions. The max you can do at a time is 20. And here are all the question types. And I'm just going to choose multiple choice for now. And I'm going to create questions. Now that it's done, I have all my content here, and I can simply review it here and decide if I want to keep it, or simply just import it in the library and do it there, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to name this. And I'm finished. And just like that, we've added 15 questions to our question library. Now I'm in the question editor. I can go in just like I can in any session building and make edits and review the content. And I probably may want to tweak some of these answers because this one's a little bit longer than the other answers. But that's entirely up to you. But you also notice you can add media here. You can also add summary and preview slides. You can build content totally outside of any session or game within the BRAVOZONE. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.